Welcome! This is a video tutorial on how to navigate the D2L Brightspace homepage of your course. First, I would like to show you how to access D2L. If you go to the main page of Pima Community College, you go to My Pima, you click and log in using your Pima credentials, and you are logged into My Pima. You'll find access to D2L in the quick link. When you click on that, you are directed to the global page of D2L, where you will find the course selector in these dots. Here you can find the courses you're enrolled to, and you will find them by the 5-digit CRN and the name. I'm going to use this course for the tutorial. We're in the course home, where in your course we'll have unique announcements created by the instructor information, success coaches, advisors, tutors, etc. Here next to the course selector, you'll find the message alerts. It will have a orange dot. If you have new messages, you can receive and sell email messages using your Pima email address. The subscription alerts will have an orange dot at the top. If you have new messages in your discussions, and the update alerts will have an orange dot if you have new announcements and other important messages. If you click on your name, you have the possibility to personalize your D2L experience. Then course home is where we are. Content is where all the learning is happening. All your studying material is going to be here. So please explore, read all these sections entirely to get acquainted with the content you need to study. The syllabus is a guide created by the instructor where you can find information on your learning goals, your assignments, expectations, deadlines, and other important information. The grades section will provide grades of the activities you have done. In the calendar view, you can see assignments per day. You will find them right here. But here in the tools section, you can look for the assignments and the deadlines and instructions. Class progress will give you a view of how you're doing in your grades, and so you can plan accordingly. Class list is the information of your classmates, and see you can find quizzes, discussions, video assignments, your virtual classroom, awards, and groups. Student resources gives you access to your success network like advisors, tutors, Pima College events. If you need accommodations or a counselor, you can find it here. And the help section is for technical and if you need support with D2L. Wishing you all success. Happy learning. Thank you.